is all supposed to be about sustainable living, right? Yes, sustainability. And so Richard came up with the idea of, we're not going to do that. We're not going to come in and invasively rebuild this place. We're going to come in and let it decay. And we're going to build infrastructures inside the buildings that the buildings can decay around. And then as the buildings decay, we can make decisions about what to do next. We might decide to somewhat rebuild that building and restore it, or we might decide to do something else.